Stop it right there, so. The girl say, watch me build my 1-bedroom dream home salon while working a regular 9 to 5. Jamaica, wanna tell me say. No, before me go no further, let me just say, big up to the creator. Big up to the young girl who shoot that video. Big up. Me lift my hats off to you 100 times. Big up yourself. And you have people in the comment section, and enough of my video them will tell me say America hard and bills this and them can't find money if do that and them can't find, if them pay bills them can't send money to Jamaica. If them send money to Jamaica then broke up here. A little young girl I go do something what many of you can't do. That little young girl I go pull off something right in front of her face. And big great tone people cannot pull it off. But make we make it roll, no? Make we see what she have to say.
Hey y'all, watch me build my dream salon in my backyard while working a 9 to 5.
In our backyard.
My plan was to do a salon space, a bathroom, a bedroom, and a kitchenette.
Kitchenette. Okay. 1-bedroom, kitchenette, and salon. In our backyard.
Blocks were finally off and it was time to put in the roof.
She got deck here now. Put it in the decking. Okay.
I also realized that the doorway was a bit too wide and it was out of my budget, so I asked them to narrow it down.
Stop it. Me people, you hear what she said a while ago? She said she realized, say, the doorway is too wide. Not because it was incorrect, but because in her mind, she just say, you know what? I want a nice slide door. She say, you know what? That not gonna work because they're gonna overrun my budget. Budget. Me know enough Jamaican don't even know what a budget is. Never have one, never use one. Don't even know the importance of one. But this little young girl realized, say, the slide door or the wider door jam, I gonna run over her budget. So she said, me not have to hype, me not have to overdo it. The reason for building this is to have some of it stay while bringing in an income. And you know what she do? She cut down the door jam. Cut down the door jam. So now she can get a regular slide door. But make we look.